Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Apple ID and connecting to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This saves time and data. Once signed in, open Settings, tap Photos, and enable iCloud Photos so your library will upload automatically. Make a choice between Optimize iPhone storage to save local space or download originals if you need full-res files locally. Also check your iCloud storage. Make sure to upgrade if you lack space, because uploads will pause without enough capacity. Once your library begins uploading, keep your device plugged in and on Wi-Fi so the initial sync completes without interruption. On each device, organize with albums, people, and favorites. These labels sync across devices, which helps you find images fast. When you edit a photo, changes propagate automatically, so you don't need to reapply adjustments. Make sure to open Photos on your Mac or the iCloud app on Windows or iCloud.com to verify syncing and to manage albums or shared libraries. To finish, verify that images appear on iCloud.com and on each device. This confirms a successful sync. If you need space, make sure to offload unused files, remove duplicates, or upgrade your iCloud plan. These steps free room for new uploads. Set up shared albums for collaborative sharing and rely on iCloud backup for device-level protection. If something goes wrong, try signing out of iCloud, then sign back in, check storage, update the OS, and restart the device. This often resolves sync failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.